Good morning, students. Today we will start Civics, chapter number 2, the Democracy and Equality, part 1. Students, despite the efforts of the government, the law and the rights inequality continues to plague the society. People have to face discrimination and unequal treatment in their day-to-day life. So, we will discuss today about reasons for the existence of inequality in society. Right? Firstly, we will start with religion. Though India is a diverse country with a long history of different religions coexisting with each other on the same ground and on peaceful terms, the recent times have witnessed a growth religious intolerance that in most instances breeds violence and hostilities. Religion means कि यहाँ पे सब है तो बहुत डिफरेंट रिलीजन के, बट सारे यहाँ पर मिल के रहते हैं. डाइवर्सिटी है हमारे यहाँ पर. This communal feelings can be traced back to the British policy, that is the divide and rule policy, right? उस समय होता था रिलीजियस का डिवाइड एंड रूल, फूट डालो शासन करो, ये ब्रिटिशर्स का वर्क था. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट विद द जेंडर. Throughout the world, women have had to face different types of discrimination where men have social, culture and political power. Women have always been relegated to the background. Right, children? Now, next is the economic status. Economic status. Poverty does not allow people to fully avail of the basic amenities which are available to the others. Economic status means money. किसी के पास कम पैसे हैं, किसी के पास ज़्यादा पैसे हैं. सो जैसे जैसे उनके पास मनी है वो वैसे वैसे फैसिलिटीज़ को अवेल करते हैं. लाइक द हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन एंड जॉब्स आर एरियाज वेयर दिस कैन बी prominently observed. I am giving you one example. Poor people cannot afford the medical facility of the private hospitals, hence to have to seek the medical care from the government hospitals. Right? Now next is the caste system. Though the constitution abolished the caste system in 1950, it continued to be practiced in rural and urban areas alike. I am giving you one term. The term Dalit was coined by the lower caste people to express that they are not allowed to be the part of the large society. Like Dalits are not allowed to drink or take water from the same well, offer prayers at the same temples. This is the some examples, right? I hope you all understood these terms of inequalities.